Hi guys, Len here. I just fabricated this here this morning. You've probably seen me use this in Vice. It's like bolster for when you're doing hammers and top tools, so you can drive your drift down through there. You've got plenty of room. But I wanted, it's too high using it in my Vice, so I wanted something a little bit lower. And I thought if I can hold it onto my anvil, so when I hit down through the centre of the anvil, that won't be too bad. So I welded it onto this thick bit of plate on here. I've also got welded a hardy shank on it. There's the hardy shank. And then I hold it down with these G-clamps. And it holds it pretty solid. So that's what I did today. So this is just a short little video on something I did this morning. I've got something interesting for you in this video too. It'll be after this one. So there'll be some pictures, and I'll explain more about that a bit later on in the video. Alright, bye for now guys. See you on the next one.